Taking care of an X-ray machine is essential for ensuring optimal performance, patient safety, and equipment longevity. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to maintain and care for an X-ray machine. Clean surfaces. Wipe down the machine, control panels and table with a soft, lint-free cloth and a mild disinfectant, non-corrosive of course. Check for damage. Inspect cables, connectors and mechanical parts for visible wear or damage. Warm-up procedure. Perform proper warm-up routines for the X-ray tube, especially if the machine hasn't been used for several hours. Power management. Turn off the system when not in use for extended periods to reduce wear. Inspect collimator light. Ensure it aligns properly with the radiation field. Clean air vents. Remove dust from fans and air vents to prevent overheating. Check image quality. Review image clarity to detect early signs of calibration drift or detector issues. Test safety features. Check warning lights, exposure interlocks and emergency stop functions. Verify calibration. Check exposure settings, kVp, MA and time for accuracy. Log any discrepancies you find. Check for software updates. Ensure the operating system and imaging software are up to date. Professional servicing. Have a certified technician inspect and calibrate the system. X-ray tube health check. Monitor tube usage, including HU levels and cooling performance. Radiation leakage test. Ensure there are no harmful levels of stray radiation. Mechanical alignment. Ensure bucky tables, detectors and arms are properly aligned and functioning smoothly. Radiation protection. Regularly inspect lead aprons, gloves and shields. Documentation. Keep detailed records of all maintenance, repairs and service logs. Training. Ensure all operators are trained and follow standard operating procedures, or SOPs.